What do you think are some important skills for people like you or people who are on the same boat as you who are trying to land faculty roles in the US?
One special skill that I believe that kind of catapulted me from teaching online into an in-person role was being very vocal about my confidence. I think that really helped. I remember for faculty roles, you have to showcase that you want to inspire kids. So my students, they have subjects such as criminal justice, accounting, maths, for example. And I remember when I walked into the classroom, the first thing I asked my students is, why have you taken this course? Most of the answers, 80% answers are because I'm supposed to take it. It's like I have to take it. I cannot let go. This has to be in my curriculum. You have to convert that into something that they will be attending your class every day for. As educators, especially as faculty, you are in the business of inspiration. I mean, young kids, they are just getting out into the world. You have to inspire them. So as a faculty, I think that enthusiasm should be there. When you're sitting for your interviews, you have to let the people know how you want your classroom to be and how you want to inspire and educate the children in the classroom. So feel free to have your entire teaching philosophy ready. I think I had an entire page of teaching philosophy where I had to write down everything that I believe in, that I would be like transferring. So once you inspired the kids and you showcase that enthusiasm and your thought process in an interview, faculty jobs get easier. So for faculty jobs, that is my most important thing, is stay very confident, have a very strong teaching philosophy. The subject that you teach, the knowledge is already there. You have the syllabus ready. You have the curriculum very beautifully set, methodically constructed for day to day, week for week. I have my entire syllabus done. Also, I work on those, but I also utilize that information that I gain from outside world into my classroom presentations. That helps. Another thing is when you are sitting for the interview, they might ask you for a demo. Now, what is a demo? A demo is they might ask you to come in into a classroom and just take over the class. You know what I mean? So, based on the subject that you're teaching, they might ask you and say, hey, so how would you tackle this particular class? How would you start? Or how would you engage the students in a way where they want to put down their phone and just listen to you? So, you have to come up with interesting ideas and techniques.